Hey, this is Scott Rulon, and welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. So does affiliate marketing still work in 2023 and beyond? You betcha it does. We're looking here at a Google affiliate marketing page, and let's just go down these pages and see how many examples there are. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of pages here about affiliate marketing. So I don't think you can say that it doesn't work anymore. In fact, today is one of the best opportunities you've ever had with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing goes by a couple names today. Sometimes it's called referral marketing. We refer somebody to a link for a particular product. They click on that link that you put down there and they buy something and you get paid a commission. Another way that affiliate marketing is also discussed today is also called freelance digital marketing. I've also seen it called online marketing, but any of these descriptions work. But now, before we get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon so that every time a new video appears, you'll be notified right away. And also in this description box, you'll see it in the first pen. I give you an opportunity to comment. I also want to give you the opportunity here to go to my website. myfinancialfair.com is where my blog site is, so please see there. So you see different descriptions of different products and information and different online reviews, so don't forget that. You can also hit my Facebook group, which is My Financial Fair, Fun with Finances. You can also hit my Instagram page, My Financial Fair, and you can also hit my TikTok channel, which is also called My Financial Fair or Make Money Online with Scott if you want more hints and tricks on how to be successful in affiliate marketing. So, learn how to build a business online with affiliate marketing, step by step, with the over-the-shoulder one-on-one mentoring. Yes, you heard that right, one-on-one mentoring, because we want to make sure that all of our students come in and actually get the outcomes they desire. And step 2, absolutely join my Facebook group, My Financial Fair, Fun with Finances. We talk about a variety of financial subjects and how to build businesses online. We will obviously provide you with a ton of value. In fact, all you have to do is answer 3 simple questions, and we will approve you once you answer the questions. So affiliate marketing work in 2023? Absolutely. There's been a lot of hype on affiliate marketing. Another word for it, obviously, as we talked about earlier, is referral marketing, which is what a lot of people use. And they also might call it freelance digital marketing. So if you hear the word freelance digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or referral marketing, it's the same thing. Right now, to be honest, affiliate marketing is working better than ever before because a lot of people, especially when customers are shopping, they're shopping online, and it's actually getting a lot easier to get in front of those folks. So if you know how to get in front of an audience that wants to buy a particular product, that is the best way to do affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you a live example today so you can actually follow this and learn how to leverage it today if you want to get into affiliate marketing. You don't need any kind of funnels or anything like that. That's a little bit more advanced, but we just like to dive in and learn. The process is actually very simple. First things first, Amazon is probably one of the biggest affiliate sites ever. Right now, 70% of their traffic, their actual traffic, comes from affiliates to their website. So if people think affiliate marketing is a scam, nope, it's actually legit, because one of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon, uses affiliate marketers to help sell their products. So you can sign up as an affiliate, or you can become an affiliate of Amazon. One of the places I recommend when you first get started, because it's very simple to do. So you just click on becoming an affiliate. They will very likely have a very simple process to become an affiliate. And once you do so, you can become an affiliate and get this. In fact, what I'm going to show you here is how easy this process is to get started. So I went to the Google, typed in Amazon affiliates. I'm now going to click on this link to get to the Amazon affiliates. And right down here, you can see the button. There's how you sign up. So you sign up, you recommend, and guess what happens after that? You earn. As BuzzFeed says, Amazon associates have been a critical driver of our commerce initiatives and has enabled BuzzFeed to build a business that is first and foremost among services of our audience. Lots of questions answered here. How does the program work? How do I earn? How do I qualify? And obviously, how do I sign up for the program? So here's the sign up link. So don't forget, hit the sign up link. Type in your Amazon account number and you are ready to get started. It's really that simple. So once you become an affiliate, you can get these little Amazon Associates pop-up links on your card. And anytime someone goes in with your link, buys a product on Amazon, not only a product that you link them to, but any other product that they buy, when they buy that from your link, you get paid a commission. So one of the easy things to do is just do some demonstrations on different products. You could do demonstration on camera, a microphone, different types of makeup. All of these are great ways to get people to click on your links in Amazon. And guess what? When people click on your links, guess what happens to you? That's right, you get paid. So what I'm actually going to do is show you a great live example. So here I am going to somebody's YouTube channel. Who is this person? Sephora Jante. So this person is demonstrating Sephora products. She's got 1,036 subscribers on Amazon. And look at this. She has a link here for Sephora. So if I hit this Sephora link, and I go in and buy one of these Sephora products, guess what happens? I get paid a commission. That's right. If I demonstrate the Sephora products and have their link in there, I get paid a commission. What a great deal. So obviously there's thousands of different products that you can market. It doesn't have to be Sephora. It can be almost anything in the affiliate marketing world. So look here. You want to sell some software tools and want to know what the top software tools are? Type it in Google. Find what they are. Well, obviously we had a little hiccup here, but you can look at different websites and find out what different products. So here's the big thing. If somebody buys one of your products on Amazon, for example, you can get paid somewhere between 4 and 10% for each product that they buy. And let me tell you, those commissions can add up fast. You know, one of the things that I love doing is when I hear people and they have a Christmas list, I will sometimes put a Christmas list together with Amazon links in it and send it to them. And then if they click off those Amazon links to buy gifts for their friends or family, guess what happens? You're right, you get paid a commission. So one of the other things you can do is you can set up a YouTube channel. Once your YouTube channel hits 1,000 subscribers, which is actually not that hard to do, especially with this strategy, you can start earning money from AdSense. What's AdSense? Well, when people put ads on the video that you put together, guess what? You will share in the advertising revenue. What a great deal. So it might be 10 bucks, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, but that's better than nothing, right? So what can you do? Well, you can create a review, especially a video review that lets you go to the video review, because the video does the best now if you get into things like blogging. That's perfectly well, but I'm trying to make this as simple as possible so you can take action today. You can literally create a video from your phone, and you don't have to show your face. You can literally point at the product and just make this talk over right now, just like we're doing now. Some of the things that I will talk about in review is like, you know, the product. Product name, you know what it's about, what it does, what it won't do, how do you use it. Maybe if you figured out a special way of using the product that other people hadn't thought of. These are all great value propositions that might lead people to buy a product from your YouTube video. And in the end and conclusion, if someone clicks on your link, buys that product, whether it be Sephora makeup, whether it be high-end Coach purses, it can be almost anything that you can buy, even kitchen utensils. They click on that product and they buy it, you get a commission. Isn't that wonderful? But here's the thing I always want you to remember at the end. There must always be a call to action. Tell the people what you want them to do. You know, many times I'll just say, hey, look in the description field below. You can put some hashtags there, but you can put all kinds of links there. What I'll tell people, I support my video channel by the links below. And so what products that I'll usually put below are different video information products. I'll put things like Canva, great way to create your YouTube thumbnails. I'll put different types of, education, entrepreneurship, video products. I'll even refer people to other video channels that I've set up. And anytime someone clicks on those links and buys those products, guess what? Again, what happens? You got it. You got a commission. So one of the things that I will do to film these videos, I will use something called Screencast-O-Matic. It only costs $60 a year, or you might use another mechanism called Camtasia. But either one of those are pretty low cost and they'll help you create the videos that you want. So here's the nice thing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 2 years, and I'll be honest, I've not made millions of dollars. But I have made thousands of dollars. In fact, after the end of about a year and a half, I made my first 4-figure commission. Now, it takes some time and some effort to get you there, and you'll get there. But if you don't do it, you'll get 100% of nothing. If you do it and you keep going with it, eventually you'll get to the point where you'll be getting 4-figure commissions too. So what I suggest that each one of you do today, I want you to pick a niche. It can be the makeup niche, it can be entrepreneurship, it can be stay-at-home moms, it can be stay-at-home dads, but just pick a niche today. And once you pick that niche, I would use things like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and create these things called short form videos to attract people to your niche. And you never know what might happen. Once you gather enough people in your niche, whether it be your Facebook group or your TikTok group, people will see that you're creating value and they'll want to buy from you. So in the end, don't take my word for it. Look at the thousands of different types of affiliates there. Go to Google, type in affiliate marketing in Google, and see the thousands of different types of products that you could market online. You know what? Brick and mortar businesses, before you know it, might be dead. But online almost seems like it's going to be forever. So why not go online today? And don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you receive future videos. And please, please, please go to my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, to read my product reviews. You can also go to my TikTok channel, Make Money Online with Scott. You can go to my Instagram channel and DM me, My Financial Fair, as well. And you can go to my Facebook group, My Financial Fair, Fun with Finances. So all of these are great ways to get to know me. Please drop a comment below and tell me whether you disagree or agree. I have a feeling that if you get involved in digital marketing today, you could be making thousands in a year or so. Why not? It's part-time. You can do it anytime from anywhere. Scott Rulon, signing off. Thank you so much for listening.